Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add drawings on Google Sheets. So first of all, want to open Google Sheets. So for adding drawings to this Google Sheets, first here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here insert, click on that. And from here is an option, you can see here drawing, click on that. And from here you can just choose the tool that you wanted, and then you can just draw whatever you wanted. And after drawing the things that you wanted, here on the top right corner you can see save and close, click on that. And after that you can see that you had been added drawings on Google Sheets. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.